Alright guys, as you can see the floor is all wet. The fan extractors are over there as well as over there. So the car is almost ready to start being primered. I got my DeWalt 27 gallon right there, all this specification for this type of compressor. The hose is ready. The primer is right here. It's the knockoff primer. It's around 100 bucks for a gallon. And in a minute I'm gonna start mixing it, and then I'm gonna start spraying it. The fans in front already got the whatever is on the other side to protect the dust coming in. The car needs to be tacked and then sprayed primer. The floor is wet and everything's ready so far. Inside here is really nice. For the primer, you don't have to wet the floor, since if you're gonna scuff it again, which I'm gonna be doing for this one. But anyway, I'm gonna put you guys over here mixing this. I mean, the whole mixing of hardener and the primer. This is 2K primer, means two components. You add hardener, one hardener and 4 parts of the paint. That's how you mix it. It's straight as that. Make sure you stir it really good. I'm talking really good. Stir it. If you have a shaker, it's even better. Add 1 part of this for 1 part of for 4 parts of paint. The hardener depends what you want. I went with a medium one. You guys can go with fast or slow. I went with the medium one, and after I'm done spraying it, this whole car is gonna get wet sanded. For cleaning the gun, you can use either mineral spirits or paint thinner right there. Also, like I said, for primer, you don't have to wet this whole place. You can just spray it, and then since you're gonna scuff it, it don't really matter. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go ahead and tack the car, mix the paint, and then start spraying this baby. Remember, protect yourself. Protect yourself either with some clothes that you don't use, or suit, or you can buy one of these as well, the respirators at eBay, or this one I bought from Harbor Freight for sanding. So yeah, protect yourself. That's really important, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably in a minute or two, because I'm gonna tack all this thing, and then I'm gonna paint it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. So there, guys, the Eclipse has been painted. The primer is drying really fast. Maybe I should have gone with the slow, but anyway, it's drying really fast. As you can see, in the last video, I mean, it's probably gonna be in the same video, but you can see in the video when I'm painting, actually the overspray is getting out, so which is, I'm really happy about that. So yeah, the car is done. My next step is probably to start water sanding it and getting it ready for metallic gunmetal gray, which I'm super excited. I just want to let you guys know that I'm no professional in painting, so I do deal with the painting, which is painting airplanes. Cars are, from what I heard, is different, but if you know how to paint, it don't matter what you're painting. So yeah, this right now is it's pretty much done. I will probably leave it for a whole day. I did have some drips like that one there. It's not gonna affect nothing. So I had that drip. I have no idea why, but I think it's dripping from that filter that's on the gun. But anyway, it doesn't affect me because the whole car is gonna get, as you can see, it has a little bit of orange peel, so whole car will be scuff sanded, and of course then it will be tacked and painted with a badass color. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. It's really simple. Make sure that you guys follow the instructions on how to mix this thing. Remember, it dries really fast, so choose your hardener wisely. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go wrap this up, and I'll see you guys probably in some other video. Make sure you like it, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you some other time, guys. Laters.